Here I have REALME C55, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. So, in order to remove screen lock from your device, in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern, and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. After it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Realme logo appeared, and also these small letters here saying recovery mode, you can release both keys and just wait until you enter recovery mode. Then select English, select format data, then please enter verification code. You will have your own unique code, not this one, but some kind of other code. Then tap format, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be deleted, including your lock screen password, and after that the device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.